thanks for joining us. McSenderson Vlog, you know, our YouTube channel.
Right.
We're going to do our usual bedtime routine, and we'll show you guys how what we do. So first, I'm going to brush my teeth here. So I'm going to take this toothbrush here. I'm going to spread toothpaste on it. Yep. Oh, yeah. No. So I'm pretty bad at, I got it on my foot. I'm not very good at this. And,
I'm
okay,
really
so that'd be
hungry.
good. I'll put it in my mouth now and brush my teeth.
I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna have some. How was your day? Was it good? Oh, you get.
It's terrible. Just practice your singing already, okay?
Oh, look how delicious that was.
Sometimes my brain doesn't work. You know? My hands just don't do it. Oh, okay. Wow.
Man! I'm in the
Beautiful. You're welcome. That is a toothbrush, don't it?
And to my left, if you all can see, there's water. So if I just, grab that water, and it's a little out of reach for me because I have little arms. Oh, I'm so parched. I could drink anything. So I'm gonna go and then shut up.
Great. Wow. Oh, wow. Big gulps.
And this guy, he always makes a mess, so I'm gonna help him.
Can I
And
have
I'm
that shaving cream, please?
yeah.
Can you
Okay.
hand it over here?
Yep. Just right over. I'm feeling spontaneous.
I'll hold your hand. I'll hold your hand.
This is romantic. Oh my word. And I just love whipped cream, so I'm going to grab that can right on the right and then
And then I'm going to grab my razor.
ah, yep.
That's it. There we go.
I'm a little naughty, so it doesn't make sense to slide my mouth.
Your brain just, it's bedtime. Your brain just doesn't work.
Well, I'm going to brush my teeth because cavities, we don't like cavities, guys. So toothbrush and then toothpaste is really far to the left. So now it's really far to the right. Okay.
Yeah, spread the
Okay,
shaving
so
cream
go
on
on my
my
shirt. I spilled some because I'm a klutz. So just, and then gotta get every
Oh, I
crevice.
see.
I know it looks so attractive right now. What can I say? I like to make an exit.
Okay. Good night, everybody.